In this video, there are some ideas for you on how to create a wildflower collage. Firstly, sketch your wildflowers, either by copying from a book or sketching outside. I'm going to use a pencil to start and colour in with crayons, felt pens and coloured pencils. Use whatever you have available. There are loads of books available if you'd like to learn more about what flowers we have around us. Then follow the lines with a nib and ink, which will give the flower definition. These CARAN water-soluble crayons are lovely and blend with water, which is perfect for getting several tones from one colour. I've sketched a globe flower, wood crane's bill, oxeye daisy, common knapweed and the great burnet. Then cut out your flowers carefully. Paint your background on a large piece of paper. I've chosen a bright orange for the sky and grey for the earth. Add detail to add texture. Find a mixture of papers and glue them to the background. I'm using tissue paper. Then stick the flowers on the background. To finish, paint around the flowers to add depth. This is your opportunity to put your stamp on your picture by using your favourite colours. I've chosen green for the bottom and gold for around the flowers. And there you go, your wildflower collage.